This is Alex for 4C Trading, and before we get on with today's video, I just want to state out that we have kind of put together a sheet of all the calls we did through YouTube, right? And we kind of checked those calls out and, you know, kind of labeled them as trade 1, trade cancel, and stop loss hit, right? And I gotta say that due to July results, they were actually pretty amazing. We only had 2 stop losses on the entire thing, right? And if we check here effective R, right, total risk reward 1, it was actually 20 R on 2.5%. So, you know, we did quite a hit on our bank account, or should I say our trading account. And we, at the end of the day, we didn't risk too much as most of other people do. You know, most other people just go all in and they risk way too much at these things. And, you know, we just always like to play it safe. We do earn less when there's a bull market like it is right now, but we also preserve much more capital and grow it slowly when there's no bull market in sight as well. So if you guys are interested in doing this, yes, you can join us on 4C. You will see the link down below, and you can continue with these journeys with us, right? Or just take this journey with us. So right now I'm going back to Dusk. Before I get down to Dusk, I also want to mention that I have previously called a trade on ADA BTC, and that one is getting pretty close to fill. The video is about 1 week old by now, so if you haven't checked it, go check that one out, and you can probably get a good trade out of it because that area really is strong and it's coming close as we speak, right? So I do hope that one is going to work out as well. And now back out towards the Dusk BTC, right? We are today on Dusk Network, and yes, we are tackling more of these BTC contracts as I promised, because, you know, USDT has been a little bit dried out, and now we're going back into the roots of the old BTC contracts, right? So yes, I'm taking a trade right here because higher time frame speaking, you know, this is kind of a main point when you want to be. So yes, I will though, if we go under this again, it's not gonna be that good, but if you can see from the past, it really well reacted on these points. So I am quite keen on taking the trade right here on Dusk with the stop loss. Let's just measure how big of the stop loss is going to be. It's going to be about 9%, which is pretty standard. This is exactly what we have lately. And for the targets, we have to look actually to the left side. The first profit target is always a standard, right? We are gonna put it right up here because we do not have the crystal ball, as you guys know. We just want to make the trade break even as fast as possible and then just continue collecting profits on the next ones, right? So that would be the first profit target, would be located quite near, and it's like always nothing new about that. And the second profit target, we're gonna go a little bit higher than. It's nothing too high, and it's about 31% move on the entire coin. But the trick is the third profit target can actually be really high, right? You can either be targeted this, which is probably gonna do, and that is actually a 155% on the entire coin move. It is actually quite nice. And, you know, after we will take profit on these two targets, I kind of want to see coin being above this area, right? This area, we would have to stay above it. And if that happens, I will be refilling some of this trade right here on this area next. I do have to see price action before I make that statement. But to me, you know, when I see price action from here, this to the left side, I'm trying to just, you know, guess what's gonna happen in the future, and it's most of the time it's correct. And I'm gonna guess again right now that if that happens and it goes a little bit above, I will be looking around here to do a long. Now, I don't know yet what the stop loss is gonna be because I will have to see more of a structure to really define the stop loss for this future structure that we created here. But if that does indeed happen, I will simply just follow up with another video, you know, to give you guys chance for another trade, to maybe refill this trade. If this trade gets filled, I really do hope it gets filled. I hope this bounce will be rejected, gets us filled, and then moves forward, right? And if that happens and it goes all the way up here, creates a structure here, I will create another video with another possibility of the trade that we can then refill these two profit targets in and hopefully take it all the way up to 155%. Gain, and actually made some really good profits, and while staying safe, as I was saying. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.